Fishing, kayaking, and other outdoor activities are no doubt best both for fun and health. Techno Bonkers will make all of your activities more interesting if you watch this video till the end. I am back, but this time with more advanced gadgets like a smart fish finder, a watch with GPS, and a collapsible cooler bag to keep your drinks cool. Without any further delay, let's start with Color Forecast Station. You are far away from your home and the weather situation is getting worse. You do not know what will happen in the next moment. Either you have to leave and move back towards your home. In this situation, the Color Forecast Station will help you. This comes with dynamic color forecast display and forecast tendency indicator. This is able to record barometric pressure and a 24-hour historical graph. With this, you can check the indoor and outdoor temperatures. Now you can get weather reports in the comfort of your home or at any place you are. Handheld Wind Speed Meter. You know wind controls our weather. Without knowing wind speed and its volume, it is impossible to analyze weather conditions. Handheld Wind Speed Meter will help you know all about wind. You will know the hurricane trend before going out. Kayak Anemometer provides fast measurement for analysis of critical environmental conditions. Wind speed, temperature, and wind chill in one LCD display. Digital anemometer handheld measure wind speed in 5 units. This meter is portable and easy to carry. This meter can be used for handheld or fixed measurements. It has a low battery indicator to indicate battery charging. This meter is an ideal instrument for windsurfing, sailing, fishing, kite flying, mountaineering, etc. Flashlight gloves. Flashlight gloves are like a third helping hand. Working at night without light is impossible, and holding the light while working is also difficult. This makes your work speed slow. Flashlight gloves are the best solution for such kinds of problems. Flashlight gloves make your hand free so that you can focus on your work in a better way. Cool gadget for handymen. The hands-free lights from the LED flashlight gloves conveniently point to where they're needed when you are working a dark tight place with both hands. The lighted gloves provide bright light without having to hold a flashlight. The fingerless flashlight gloves are made of stretchy fabric, and with lengthened straps, they can fit most adult men's or women's fingers and wrists. Collapsible Cooler Bag. You must be aware of the different bags used for different purposes. I guarantee, collapsible cooler bag will be new to you. One bag but multiple purposes, like for lunch, grocery shopping, camping, and road trips. The sturdy soft-sided cooler pops up with ease, so you can fill it with your meal and beverage essentials. Collapse when not in use for easy storing just about anywhere. Perfect beach bag for toting snacks and drinks for a day in the sun. Great for bringing lunch into work, grocery shopping, or as a travel cooler for a road trip with family. The cooler with an insulated interior liner is leak-proof and ideal for you to keep your drinks and food cold with ice. This bag is large enough to carry all of your foodstuffs. The hopper was built for those adventures where you want to grab your gear and go. Fishing Rod Bag. Fishing is one of the oldest forms of food acquisition. Fishing is also a great way to spend time outdoors and stay healthy. Fishing devices have become more advanced over time. A fishing rod is the most common device for fishing. But handling fishing rods is not so easy. A fishing rod bag is the best solution for all your fishing devices. Large capacity, 5 rods and reels pouch outside, 1 lateral pocket, and 1 large interior compartment. Enough to hold your fishing rod, fishing reel, fishing bait, and other fishing tools in order without any mess. Bag made of high-quality 600D Oxford cloth, ultra-tear resistant and abrasion resistant, extremely durable to use. An adjustable shoulder strap, solid and reinforced, allows you to adjust the length according to your own need. Smart Fish Finder. Fishing without modern gadgets is just a waste of time. And you know time is the most precious thing. This is also painful when you give your time to fishing and you do not find fish. A Smart Fish Finder is the best solution. Smart Fish Finder helps you find fish underwater with the use of modern technology. Sonar shows you more of what is in the water around your boat. This high-frequency sonar gives near photographic images with detailed representations of objects, structures, and fish. Now fishing is no more difficult. Save your time because time is precious. LED Kayak Fishing Visibility Flag. Safety is the first thing while doing any kind of work, whether this is essential or not. While finishing, you need more safety to be safe from any kind of danger. LED Kayak Fishing Visibility Flag makes you more visible at the night with its LED light. All of its colors are highly reflective to make you more visible in the canals. This comes with a LED light with a long-lasting battery. You can easily carry it with you. This easily mounts on your boat and keeps you more visible. Waterproof speaker. The waterproof speaker is specially designed for kayakers. Some kayakers take to the water for peaceful tranquility, others for a more social and relaxing experience. Recreational kayakers who cruise around the water exploring may find their day enhanced by taking music with them or listening to a podcast or audiobook if they're out on a long trip. JBL Pro Sound delivers surprisingly rich audio and punchy bass from Clip 4's compact size. JBL Clip 4's ultra-portable design goes great with the latest styles, and its colorful fabrics and expressive details make it look as great as it sounds. Wirelessly stream music from your phone, tablet, or any other Bluetooth-enabled device. Night vision goggles. If your boat trip runs long, you want to be able to navigate home as safely as possible. Night vision goggles can help you do so. Plus, you'll certainly impress young children and grandchildren with these goggles. These night vision goggles can help you in many ways. While other night vision devices cannot provide high-quality photos and videos without ambient light, drain your batteries within minutes, or bulky and hard to control, the compact night vision binoculars feature an infrared illuminator, which allows you to easily view animals in pitch dark without lights for 6 hours. These goggles will totally change your nighttime vision. GPS watch. When you're out kayaking, having a GPS navigation device can be useful and sometimes essential if you're out on a multi-day trip in unknown territory. With this Fenix watch from Garmin, you not only get GPS capabilities, but also get a watch, so you can keep an eye on the time when you're on the water. This GPS watch monitors your estimated heart rate, activity, and stress, trained with preloaded activity profiles. Its battery life is up to 14 days in smartwatch mode, up to 16 hours in GPS mode, and up to 40 hours in battery saver mode. This watch adds worth to your life with its amazing features. Must comment below about your favorite product, and do not forget to like this video. Thanks for watching.